Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this traditional and classic sauce from Italy, originating from the city of Genoa, the capital city of the region of Liguria in Italy. It traditionally consists of crushed garlic, European pine nuts, coarse salt, basil leaves, of course, and of course some hard cheese such as Parmigiano-Reggiano or Parmesan. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italy, it would be said pesto. You do want to stress on the first syllable, the pest syllable. Pesto. The full name of the sauce is originally pesto alla genovese, because it comes from the city of Genoa. Pesto. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of all of the delicious dishes and sauces and pasta sauces and pizza recipes, all of those fantastic names and dishes and food names that you need to hear and nail the pronunciation of, all from Italy. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.